Welcome back to Auto Legends Car, your trusted source for in-depth reviews of the world's most iconic machines. Today, we bring you something extraordinary, one of the most advanced fighter jets in modern warfare, the 2026 F-35B Lightning II. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a flying technological marvel designed to dominate in every dimension of combat. Let's dive deep into what makes this jet the crown jewel of British and Allied air power. Starting with the exterior, the F-35B Lightning II is a stealth multirole combat aircraft developed by Lockheed Martin with major contributions from the UK, specifically through B Systems. This variant, the F-35B, is designed for short takeoff and vertical landing capabilities, making it unique among modern fighter jets. The 2026 version retains its sleek, low observable profile that reflects radar waves and reduces detection. Its sharp angles, embedded sensors, and internal weapons bays all contribute to its stealth-focused design. The fuselage is constructed using advanced composite materials that give it strength while keeping weight manageable. Every panel and curve is engineered with precision to reduce its radar cross-section. The one-piece canopy provides the pilot with excellent visibility while integrating seamlessly into the fuselage to maintain stealth. The engine intake and exhaust systems are also meticulously designed to reduce infrared and radar signature, which plays a major role in survivability during operations. Moving briefly inside, the cockpit of the F-35B is a marvel of avionics and interface design. There are no analog dials, so everything is digital. The pilot interacts with a large touchscreen display and uses voice commands and a helmet-mounted display system that shows crucial flight and targeting information directly in the line of sight. This high level of situational awareness dramatically increases pilot effectiveness and reaction time. Comfort and ergonomics have also been considered. Although not designed for luxury, the pilot's seat is fitted to handle high G-forces and long mission durations. Every control is within reach, and the advanced fly-by-wire system ensures minimal manual workload, allowing the pilot to focus on mission objectives. Now, let's talk performance. The F-35B is powered by the Pratt & Whitney F135 engine, producing over 40,000 pounds of thrust. This engine enables the jet to reach speeds of Mach 1.6 and perform vertical landings, a rare and revolutionary capability. Its short takeoff ability allows it to operate from aircraft carriers and forward bases with minimal runway space. The 2026 update includes improved thrust vectoring, enhanced stealth coatings, and more efficient cooling systems for electronics. Its range reaches approximately 900 nautical miles with internal fuel, and it can be refueled mid-air to extend its combat radius. The aircraft's sensor fusion technology enables it to track multiple targets on land, air, and sea, all while sharing that information in real time with allied forces. In summary, the 2026 F-35B Lightning II is not just a fighter jet, it's a force multiplier. With its cutting-edge design, stealth performance, and unmatched versatility, it remains at the forefront of modern air combat. Stay tuned to Auto Legends Car for more in-depth looks at the world's most legendary machines.